Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Cohere has released yet another re-ranking model, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use this really fabulous model in your own RAG pipelines. Not only I am going to show you a hands-on demo, but also I will be explaining in very simple words as what exactly a re-ranking AI model is and where it is useful and why it is so important to make it a part and parcel of your retrieval augmented generation pipeline. We all know that RAG primarily gives more grounded context to the large language models for our own data. And RAG pipeline means that whenever someone asks a question about our own data, we use RAG in order to get the similar answers from our own vector stores and then provide that context to LLM. In any production grade RAG pipeline, I believe a re-ranking model plays a pivotal role. And Cohere has produced some of the best re-ranking models out there. There are various other re-ranking models by other companies too, even in the open source, and I have covered almost all of them on the channel. And there are good ones too, but Cohere's model are also quite good, and you will see in this video why I am saying that. So, what exactly this re-ranking model is. So look, a re-ranking AI model is a type of model that's specifically designed to re-rank or reorder search results to improve their relevance and accuracy. These models use advanced natural language processing and machine learning algos to understand the context and intent behind a user's search query and then re-rank the search results accordingly. In RAG systems, the Rerank model plays a crucial role in improving the accuracy and relevance of generated text. The Rerank model is applied to the retrieved documents to re-rank them based on their relevance to the input query or prompt. This step helps to filter out irrelevant or redundant information, ensuring that the most relevant documents are used to generate the response. By improving the retrieval accuracy, reducing noise and redundancy, and enhancing contextual understanding, the re-rank model enables more accurate and relevant text generation in RAG systems. And this Cohere's model, which is Rerank 3.5, is a state-of-the-art AI search model. It is designed to significantly improve the relevancy of information surfaced within search and retrieval augmented generation RAG systems. There are four key features which are also present on this blog post if you check it out. First and foremost, it has got enhanced reasoning skills and it enables understanding of complex user questions with various constraints. Secondly, it has got really broad data compatibility because it searches long documents, semi structured data, and code. Also, it supports 100 plus languages with state of the art accuracy in 10 global business languages. Fourth and final, it computes relevant scores for business documents in relation to users' questions, which enables highly accurate information understanding. It is really useful for specialized industries, in my opinion. Okay, so enough theory. Let me take you to my code where I will show you how you can use it. The tool which I'm going to use for it is called as Amazon Bedrock. If you don't know what Amazon Bedrock is, it is a managed service from AWS or Amazon, which you can use to access a lot of models. If I'm not going to explain Bedrock in this one, if you're interested, just search with Bedrock course. And I already have done a full blown course on Bedrock. Within 20 minutes, you should be able to get up to speed with Amazon Bedrock. So, in order to use Amazon Bedrock, with this Cohere's Rerank 3.5, what all you need to do is to go to your AWS account. You can get a personal account like me, and you will get free credits. And then US West 2 region, which is Oregon region in AWS, make sure that in Bedrock you enable this Rerank 3.5 model. It is only available in select few regions, by the way. So I already have been granted the access. Now let me take you to my VS code where I have all the code where I will show you how you can use it easily. So this is my VS code, as you can see. Now in this VS Code, let me walk you through what is happening. I have already set the environment and my AWS credentials. Again, if you don't know, please watch my other video. In this one, all I'm doing, I'm importing some of the libraries, I'm setting the region to US West 2, then I'm instantiating this Bedrock client, then I'm specifying this Cohere Rerank version, and then I am using this model here. Then I have defined this re-ranking text. All this is doing, it is just taking the user's query, the text sources, you can pass it anything else which you like. Now at the high level, what this code is doing, let me quickly show you. Let's suppose this is a query which is coming from user, and these are all the documents in our database. For simplicity, I have just put it in here like in comment form, but you can even retrieve them from any database, any file store, and then this might be coming from your user. For example, user is asking what emails have been returning items, then our re-ranking model is going to convert them into numerical representation. It is going to make a search in this, and then it will re-rank it and will return the top similarity searches for us with the scores. The higher the score, the more closer the document will be to this example query. So this is the whole job of this re-ranking element. Now if you really think about it, this really takes our RAG pipeline to a next level, because what happens in RAG, we have our data stored in our vector store in numerical format. Whenever user asks a query, the RAG pipeline only searches for similar results and then appends that to the prompt. So with the re-ranking, we only append the most accurate results from the vector store. So this is how this re-ranking model makes it really accurate, and latency also gets reduced by these sort of coherence models. And then we are just looping through it, and then we are printing the response. So let me run this. I already have set my keys and stuff, so I'm just running this Bedrock Cohere Rerank, and then it is going to search our query into those documents, and there you go. So it has said that okay, this is the document at number index number 4, so 0 to 5. This is its relevant score is this, it is quite high, and then this is not that high, and then similarly it has just, so 4, 8, 2 are the similar, and in those similar it has also sorted it which one is more closer to our prompt. So this is the job of the re-ranking model. So you can see that by just embedding a re-ranker, especially this Rerank 3.5 in your RAG pipeline, you can introduce a lot of quality in your RAG pipeline. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.